Swiss chard, a vibrant and nutritious leafy green, is packed with an array of vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Known for its impressive health benefits, Swiss chard supports heart health, boosts immunity, enhances bone strength, and aids in digestion. This versatile vegetable is an excellent addition to a balanced diet, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Here are 10 health benefits of Swiss chard. Rich in nutrients. Swiss chard is loaded with essential vitamins such as vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. High in antioxidants. It contains powerful antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Supports heart health. The potassium and magnesium in Swiss chard help regulate blood pressure, while its fiber content can reduce cholesterol levels, contributing to cardiovascular health. Enhances bone health. Vitamin K and calcium in Swiss chard play crucial roles in maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Regulates blood sugar. Swiss chard contains compounds like alpha-lipoic acid that can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Supports eye health. The presence of lutein and zeaxanthin helps protect eyes from age-related macular degeneration and other vision issues. Anti-inflammatory properties. Swiss chard's antioxidants and phytonutrients have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamin A and vitamin C in Swiss chard support skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting against damage from free radicals. Detoxification. Swiss chard supports liver function and detoxification processes in the body, helping to eliminate toxins efficiently. Enhances brain health. The antioxidants and nutrients in Swiss chard support cognitive function and may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.